family in the Philippines, my wife Nida, and I would like to thank all of you for your time in attending this memorial mass for our Aunt Juanita. Thank you, God, for giving us Juanita. Our family will be forever grateful to the following: Kuya Fernando and Auntie Nene, for taking Tia Nene and Tia Aida during the time when they were asked to evacuate their place during a hurricane. Thank you, Rene, Inday, Sal, for coming. Mignon for calling 911 when she had a bad fall. Dadding for your help to Tia Nene and Tia Aida for all these years. Ramon for accompanying Tia Nene when she went home to Manila to bring the urn of Tia Aida. Emma for taking Tia Nene at her place when her condo was scheduled for fumigation. Lydia and Casey for choosing Tia Nene to be their wedding principal sponsor and for helping us in everything since we arrived. Thanks also to Remy, Rose, and Audi for always being there to help. And to whoever I didn't mention, thank you very much. May God bless you all for your kindness. We are so blessed to meet you all, and we will keep our friendship in our hearts forever. If in any instance Tia Nene could have hurt you in one way or another, I pray for your understanding, compassion, and forgiveness. Let go of all feelings so she may join the Creator in paradise together with her sister Tia Aida. Thank you, Tia Nene, for the happy memories. Thank you for showing us Florida. We will treasure this journey for the rest of our life. Rest in peace now, Tia Nene. We love you.